money, cause that money always first, nigga. These niggas trippin', we get bread about that purse, nigga. 2 for the grind, because that's all I ever do, nigga. If I'm behind, it's cause I'm probably lapping you, niggas. 3 for the haters, cause they go and spread the story. Niggas is all my sons, we can say the trip to Maury. And 4, that's for the smoker, that's the reason why you fucking with us. I spent 4 months inside the studio, here come the bliss. And here we go, break it down, I fold and roll. Life is just a roller coaster, ups and downs with so-and-sos. That's the shit that made me though. This on the tray like gravy bowls. This game a bag of M&M's, it's colorful, a shady show. But like I'm from 89, but got a soul from 84. Moved to Texas, niggas riding Dayton's with the 80s folks. Coro made me fall in love with it, he became the man. Nigga had a cutter on some clippers like a Lakers fan. Man, it's A-League culture, very deep. And I could tell you some stories, but shit, I barely speak. I laugh when niggas try to talk like we ain't run these streets. Nigga, I'm 30, I evolve because I'm from these streets. You rather see me in the cell or stressed out, showing gangs to the youth. Ain't never did shit for me, but feel I owe you the truth. This whole game fucked up, it's full of phonies and goofs. I'm really king and ain't got nothing to prove, but I can show you these moves. One for that money, cause that money always first, nigga. These niggas trippin', we get bread about that purse, nigga. 2 for the grind, because that's all I ever do, nigga. If I'm behind us, cause I'm probably lapping you, niggas. 3 for the haters, cause they go and spread the story. Niggas is all my sons, we can say the trip to Maury. And 4, that's for the smoker, that's the reason why they fucking with us. I spent 4 months inside the studio, here come the blizzard. Fuck you thinking you won't never know me. My mind is complex as a salsa by that boy Ginobili. While in the meditative state, I often drift to Kobe, the one and only, but I bet his life was very lonely. I'm on 288 at 88 to see my shawty. I'm just a ghost inside the wind, but she's an anchor for me. Cause I'm intelligent, you think I never seen a pack? I stacked my dough and bought a gap from niggas who got murder raps. Level that you never hacked, on sun and the moon. Smile in your face, holding my waist, knowing I'm seeing you soon. Unbalanced equilibrium, what crack that did to the youth. We X-Men on the cool, peep how I scour the room. I feel that energy you try to hide, I see with 3, that's why you see emotion in my eyes. I understand you niggas jealous, hearted, full of pride, and that shit hurt, cause how I love you, blood couldn't even ties. This is that generation of peeking out your windowsill at everybody dirty laundry, knowing that your hamper feel. Niggas think the world owe them, guess you riding Dangerfield. I stand on my own too, if nothing else don't make me real, just carve it in my grave plot. I'm from the bottom, complicated as a maze plot. Your ship sinking, mine afloat, cause I'm a cold nigga. You rather drown and let me hop aboard and roll with you? Then fuck you too.